After the launch of the Tesoro T50 Speciale, custom-fitted with Armani Casa interiors and powered by Volvo Penta IPS diesel engines, here comes the new version, equipped with 3 Mercury V12 outboards, delivering 600 horsepower each. Tesoro Yachts is based in Spain and manages the entire build process in-house. This allows the shipyard to offer fully bespoke yachts, tailored to each owner's preferences in both layout and finish.
L'armatore può prendere parte al processo di progettazione.
Owners can even take part in the design process to create their own unique model, a rare feature on a 50-footer. They say boats shouldn't be green, but this one is simply stunning. The black guardrail contrasts beautifully with the hull, and the large side windows on both port and starboard flood the interiors with natural light. The carbon fibre T-top adds both style and functionality. At the bow, the signature Tesoro Sunpad layout, a hallmark of the brand, is designed to enhance both comfort and safety. All around there are retractable courtesy lights. The display here mirrors the information shown at the helm, so you can monitor navigation and performance from this area as well. The clean lines of the design continue all the way to the bow, where the anchor is completely hidden from view. Carbon fibre poles fit into dedicated mounts, allowing for a lightweight awning sunshade to cover the entire forward lounge area. The side walkways are well protected by high bulwarks, offering both safety and comfort. Dedicated niches house the fenders and a boarding ladder for side access. This layout is just one of several possible configurations for the deck islands. Not only can you choose the features, but even their shape and position. In this version, we have an induction cooktop, a teppanyaki grill, an ice maker, a worktop, a sink with a rice spray for glasses, plenty of storage space, and 2 large drawer-style refrigerators, each with a 105-litre capacity. And let's not forget the 55-inch retractable TV. The carbon fibre table comes with integrated cup holders and can be lowered electrically to join the sofa with the aft sunbed, creating a generous lounging area, perfect even while cruising. The T-top is wide and provides excellent shade across most of the deck. An electric awning extends coverage further aft for even more protection. At the helm, there are 3 ergonomic seats that convert into leaning posts. The dashboard is fully equipped with wireless charging for smartphones and Mercury's joystick control system. This entire area can also be enclosed with clear panels and air-conditioned for maximum comfort. In the garage, there's space for a Williams 280 tender, handled by an opaque mare crane made of painted AISI 316L stainless steel. It can lift both a tender and a jet ski, up to a combined weight of 350 kilograms. The crane arm extends up to 3 meters and offers a 180-degree rotation. Just below, in the aft technical compartment, you'll find a Seakeeper gyroscopic stabilizer, an accessory I'm seeing on more and more yachts. And for good reason, it virtually eliminates boat roll, significantly improving onboard comfort, especially for those who aren't used to being at sea. The Seakeeper system comes with multiple advantages. It can be used even while cruising in any sea condition, and thanks to its vacuum-sealed enclosure, it's protected from external elements. This design also allows for faster spin-up speeds and lower energy consumption compared to similar systems. The swim platform is another opaque mare innovation. It extends the usable surface area, and its integrated steps serve as a convenient ladder, perfect for getting in and out of the water or boarding from the dock. This model can lift up to 300 kilograms and is structurally rated to support a static load of up to 450 kilograms. For added safety underway, locking hooks automatically engage when the platform is fully raised. This setup is also available with inboard engines. But you still get the traditional carbon fibre swim ladder and a carbon fibre deck shower as well. The folding balconies, also by Opac Mer, feature a mechanism that's completely hidden inside the structure, while the safety locks are integrated into the bulwarks. Below deck, several layout options are available. For example, you can have 2 master suites, each with its own bathroom, or a large forward lounge and an aft owner's cabin. But this is perhaps the most interesting version, 3 cabins with the master suite located at the bow. It features refined contrasts in colour and materials, and a unique illuminated headboard. The ensuite bathroom adds privacy and comfort. Towards the stern, there are 2 guest cabins, each with twin beds that can convert into doubles. These share a bathroom located just off the companion one. What an engine configuration! 3 Mercury Verado V12 outboards, each delivering 600 horsepower. That's 7,600 cc and 12 cylinders in a V configuration.
Guardate bene come sono montati, molto vicini tra loro. Hanno potuto scegliere.
Take a look at how they're mounted, placed very close together. This layout is possible because only the lower units pivot for steering. The main engine blocks are fixed to the transom. The result? Outstanding strength, safety and stability. And even at high speeds, despite having 1,800 horsepower back there, there's no vibration and far less noise compared to other propulsion systems. Piloting this engine kinda takes me back to one of my old racing boats, the one with the 2-speed gearbox. And yes, this outboard has that too. Right now, we're in first gear and accelerating. This way, we make the most of the engine's torque without overloading it. I've also lowered the trim tabs, which adds quite a bit of hydrodynamic resistance. But thanks to the gearbox, that's not an issue. Even with extra weight on board, performance doesn't suffer much. It's a beautiful day here in the Gulf of La Spezia. The sea is almost flat, but the wind is strong. Now we're heading out into open water. These outboards have another major advantage. Each one is fitted with dual counter-rotating propellers. That means 6 propellers in total. Just imagine how many blades are pushing this boat forward. That's why, even though this yacht is fully equipped and naturally a bit heavier, the acceleration is still incredibly responsive. As the speed increases, we ease off the trim tabs a bit. At the same time, the engine responds by shifting into second gear, giving us better efficiency and lower fuel consumption at cruising speeds. Off to starboard, we pass the island of Palmaria, and soon we'll see Tino as well. The gear change is fully automatic and incredibly smooth, both when shifting up and when downshifting as we slow down. At 5,000 RPM, with the tabs retracted and a bit of positive trim, the cruising speed is between 31 and 32 knots. It's a joy to handle, though it heels quite a bit in turns, so if you're not an experienced helmsman, you might want to steer gently, with a light touch, adjusting both speed and rudder angle carefully. Make the veer the other way round to balance it out, and take in the view through the windshield. The mullions are somewhat bulky, but their angled design keeps visibility mostly unobstructed. One more turn. Now let's open it up.
Emozionante.
It's thrilling to feel it lean into the turn like this, but it grips beautifully, holding firm on the chine with no hesitation.
E ora,
Now, full throttles.
per far salire
We add a touch of trim to push the revs even higher.
ha una stabilità.
The boat stability and course holding are truly impressive.
La velocità massima,
Top speed is just shy of 39 knots.
ma il cantiere assicura
But the
che
yard claims that with a lighter configuration, fewer onboard systems and accessories, the Tesoro T50, equipped with 3 Mercury Verado V12s at 600 horsepower each, can reach a top speed of 44 knots.